You're not poor because of your job. You're not poor because of your parents. You're poor because of your habits. And the truth is, most people don't even realize they're keeping themselves broke. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 everyday habits that silently kill your financial future and how you can break them starting today. Habit number 1, living like you're rich when you're not. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen someone who makes $2,000 a month driving a $30,000 car, or someone who spends hundreds of dollars on designer clothes but can't afford to pay rent on time? This is more common than you think. It's called lifestyle inflation, spending more just because you can, not because you should. People fall into this trap because they want to look successful instead of actually becoming successful. But pretending to be rich doesn't make you rich. It just makes you broke with better clothes. Here's a real story. I knew someone who got a raise at work. Instead of saving or investing it, they immediately bought a new car. A year later, they were in debt, stressed, and couldn't even afford basic repairs. That raise? Gone. Instead of buying things to impress others, focus on building real wealth behind the scenes. Save first. Invest smart. And then reward yourself later when you can actually afford it. Here's a tip. Next time you get a paycheck, don't ask, "What can I buy?" Ask, "What can I invest in that will pay me back in the future?" Habit number 2, thinking short term. Poor people think about today. Rich people think about 10 years from now. Let me give you an example. You get $500 unexpectedly. A short-term mindset says, "Let's go out. Let's buy something fun." A long-term mindset says, "How can I turn this $500 into $5,000 over the next few years?" That's the difference. It's not about denying yourself forever. It's about delaying gratification, the skill of winners, because every dollar you spend today is a seed that could have grown into something bigger tomorrow. There's a famous experiment called the marshmallow test. Kids were told they could eat 1 marshmallow now or wait and get 2 later. The kids who waited, they grew up to be more successful in life. Why? Because self-control is a superpower. Want to break this habit? Start thinking in years, not days. Ask yourself, will this matter 5 years from now? If the answer is no, maybe it's not worth your money or your time. Habit number 3, avoiding financial education. Most people spend more time scrolling social media than learning how money works, and then they wonder why they're stuck. If you don't understand money, you'll never keep it, no matter how much you earn. The rich? They read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Psychology of Money. They listen to podcasts, take online courses, and actually talk about finances. And the best part? Most of this info is free. You can learn how to budget, invest, grow a business, all from your phone. Don't know where to start? Spend just 15 minutes a day learning something about money. That's it. 15 minutes every day. In a year, you'll know more than 90% of people around you. Habit number 4, being around the wrong people. Look, you might not realize it, but the people you spend time with are shaping your future. If you hang out with 5 broke, lazy people, you'll probably become the 6th. But if you surround yourself with people who are building, growing, thinking big, you'll naturally start to level up too. Success is contagious, but so is failure. Don't let your circle hold you back. Join online communities, find mentors, follow creators who inspire you. Even if you don't have rich or successful friends in real life, the internet gives you access to millions who think differently. The key is to protect your environment. Your mindset depends on it. Habit number 5, relying on one income stream. This is a dangerous one. If your entire financial life depends on a single paycheck, you're one emergency away from disaster. Rich people, they build multiple streams of income, a job, a side hustle, investments, digital products, rental income, dividend stocks, you name it. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. So ask yourself, if I lost my job tomorrow, how would I survive? If the answer scares you, it's time to build a second income stream. Start small, sell a digital product, offer a service online, start a YouTube channel, learn affiliate marketing. You don't have to be an expert, you just need to start. 1 stream pays the bills, 2 streams build wealth, 3 streams create freedom. Habit number 6, ignoring your money mindset. This one's sneaky. You can do all the right things, budget, save, invest, but if deep down you believe things like, "I'm just bad with money, money is evil, rich people are greedy," you'll always sabotage yourself. Your mindset is like the operating system running in the background. If it's broken, everything else crashes too. Instead, start reprogramming it. I'm learning to handle money well. Money is a tool for freedom and impact. I deserve to be financially secure. Your thoughts shape your actions, and your actions shape your bank account. Your future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow, not next year. Today. Break the habits that are holding you back. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Start building multiple streams of income. And most importantly, never stop learning. Because the moment you start taking money seriously, money starts taking you seriously. You're not broken. You just need better habits. But you can't build better habits if you're not productive. So watch this video and become the most productive version of yourself.